Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to open a Chevy Suburban key fob. First, locate the small release button, usually found on the side of your key fob. Press this button firmly and then carefully pull out the emergency key blade. This key blade needs to be removed before you can access the internal components of the fob. This initial step is crucial for a smooth and easy opening process. Now that the emergency key is out, look for a small notch or slot in the opening where the key was. This is your entry point. Take a small, flathead screwdriver or a plastic prying tool and gently insert it into this slot. With a slight, careful twist, the two halves of the key fob should begin to separate. Be gentle to avoid damaging the plastic casing. With the key fob now open, you will clearly see the small, circular battery nestled within. Most Chevy Suburban key fobs use a CR2032 coin cell battery. Take a small, non-metallic tool, like a plastic spudger, and carefully pry out the old battery from its compartment. Be sure to note its orientation before removal, usually positive side facing up. To reassemble, place the new CR2032 battery into the compartment, ensuring the positive side faces upwards. Carefully align the two halves of the key fob and press them firmly together until you hear a satisfying click, indicating they are securely fastened. Finally, slide the emergency key blade back into its slot and test all the buttons to confirm proper function.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.